Hey guys, how you guys doing today? I just want to say welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my reaction. So guys, I'm here to do another reaction video today to the group JO1, and they did a music video called The Real, to the song Real, and this is their performance video. I'm curious to see what they're gonna give me. I really do like this group. I like how fluid they are with the body, and I think that's very hot. So let's go. You gotta love the overseers. Love them. Yes. This is me. This is me. It was true, I will be there. Love the hair color. Is that teal? Oh, I forgot this group have like 600 peoples in there. Oh my god, imagine seeing them live. If they ever have a concert in my area, I'll go. Everybody love to do that square staging and have some different background, some symmetry backgrounds.
Let's go that way 鏡の中ずっと閉じ込められたようで One step 時が経って Someday Two step 思いとを相手しきさなこの見た Daydream 確かなものしていく On your phone のそ未来へこにの White Castle
Come on, sir. I love the color. It's very simple, but the black and white works. I love that. I love the hair color. Love that burgundy looking color. Love that blonde, bleach blonde in the back. I love that teal. Come on, guys. Know your IQs. I think the original video also had this background too, I believe. So they infused both together, looks like it. Yes. Shit, they take this into the next level. Oh, okay. I see that. That's a hand movements right there. They were voguing. So real. Period. Oh, they're really so good. I still remember reacting to them when it just I guess we recently started like a year or so before, and their fans were like, oh, this group is very new, they're just getting into this and get into the routine of things. I was like, they're really good. I just love the fact how fluid they are with dancing. I love that. Oh, I love that. I would definitely see them live. Just want to say thanks to the person who recommended me to react to this. I saw your comment. I was like, oh, you're right, let me react to that ASAP. So for everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it, guys.